Hello, everybody. So we are now at the 8th of July and fourth shift. Okay, 8th of July, fourth shift. I'll just change the color of the pen and it's yellow. 8th of July, fourth shift. Okay, so starting off with the first question. Lal Than Halwa, Lal Thanwala, Lal Thanwala holds the record for the longest serving chief minister of which state of India? And it is a factual question, and the answer is Mizoram. Okay, the answer is Mizoram. It is a factual question. You may read about it over here. Lal Thanwala is recognized for his long tenure as CM of Mizoram. He has served 5 terms. Okay, he has served as the CM 5 terms. Okay, he has served as the CM of Mizoram for 5 terms, and he's a very significant, popular Mizoram. Moving on. As of March 2020, which of the following solar power plants is the biggest plant in the world with total installed capacity of 2245 megawatt? 2245 megawatt. Okay, so it is in India and it's called Bhadla solar plant. Okay, it's called Bhadla solar plant and it is in none other than Rajasthan. In Rajasthan and particularly in Jodhpur. Particularly in Jodhpur. Okay, moving on. Select the olfactory indicator from among the given options. Okay, olfactory. Olfactory relates to the nose or the smell. So, if an indicator changes smell in the presence of an acid or a base, is called an olfactory indicator. Okay, it's called an olfactory indicator. So, out of the four, cabbage is visible, turmeric is visible, and petunia is also visible. Visible means they change their color or they change their appearance, and clove oil is something which changes its smell. Okay, so what does clove oil do? In an acidic or a basic medium, it changes its smell. Okay, in a basic medium, in a basic medium, clove oil no smell or it changes the smell in a basic medium. What does cabbage juice do? Cabbage juice is a visual indicator, and when mixed with acid or bases, it changes color. Turmeric also changes color. It changes to from yellow to yellowish brown in present of a base. And petunia is also a visual color indicator, not an olfactory one. Moving on to create a new MS Word document, which of the following steps is correct? Basically, a new document would only be opened with the help of a new option. So, file tab new. You may read about it over here. Cool. You may pause and watch whatever it is about. Moving on. An application software includes a variety of programs that are designed to meet the information processing needs of who? Customers, yes. Programmers, yes. But what is the standard definition? It says end user. No matter who it is, it should be the end user. Okay. So you may read about it over here. Moving on. Which of the following dances is listed in the UNESCO list of intangible cultural heritage of India since 2010? And the answer is Kalbelia. It is the major dance of Rajasthan, and the name of the tribe is also Kalbelia tribe, which performs this dance. Okay, you may read about it over here, and it is basically a tribe of snake charmers. Okay, you may read about it over here. Moving on, which type of which of the following is not related to the trinity of Carnatic music? So trinity means there are three exponents. Okay, so it means it is a group of three people. So here is known as the father of Carnatic music, so he is not the answer and he is basically not the one. So I'll help you remember it. Syama Muthu, and Tyaga or Tyagraj. Okay, Syama, Muthu, Tyagraj or SMT. These are the three. This is basically the Trinity or a group of three which always exist together. Okay, which come out as combined. So the answer who's not a part of the Trinity, and rest of the three are the part of the Trinity. Halo India Winter Games 2023 was held at which place? All of these places are cold, so it's difficult to guess. A factual question. The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, moving on. Dol Jatra is which of the is a festival of which of the following states? Okay, so Dol Jatra. Dol Jatra is also Dol festival, which is from Dol and is from Assam, West Bengal, and Odisha. Okay, it's similar to Holi. Okay, Dol Yatra or Dol Jatra. Okay, you may read it in any way. So it's like Holi and celebrated in Assam, West Bengal, and Odisha. Okay, moving on. How many fundamental rights were initially provided in the Constitution? The answer is seven. The was the sixth fundamental right, which was the right to property is was in Article 31, but now it is removed by the 44th Amendment Act in 1978. Okay, everything is written here on the left hand side. Please pause and read it. Which of the following is not one of the classical languages of India? Okay, so all the I'll just give you a small trick. All the classical languages are from the south, and it doesn't include Marathi. You may sometimes feel that Maharashtra is from the south. So all the South Indian languages are a part of the classical Indian languages. So Maghi is not one of the classical languages. Okay, there are six South Indian languages which are recognized, and also there is one classical language which is included, and that is Sanskrit. Okay, this is one Indian language which is included, which is not. So it is Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, and Odia. Okay, moving on. Uh, rationing are direct control measures to check what? These are the measures to check inflation. Okay, whenever inflation goes up, what does price control mean? It involves setting the maximum price that can be charged for the goods and thereby preventing the going up. Rationing means it limits the quantity of product that a person can purchase. Inflation is a general increase in price or general increase in price and fall in purchasing value of money. Okay, moving on. As per census 2011, the total absolute increase in the population during the decade is, the answer is 18.19 crore. Okay, this is the increase in population. Increase in pop. Moving on. Which amongst the following sultans shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Delhi to Daulatabad. And the answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Okay, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. I by mistake clicked on the wrong option. Okay, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And he was the Sultan of Delhi from 1325 to 1351. Okay, moving on. As of March 2024, who was the executive chairman of NALSA, National Legal Services Authority of India? Okay, NALSA. NALSA. NALSA usually doesn't have a judge. Retired judge is not the chairman. Chairman is usually the second highest judge of Supreme Court. Okay. Out of these five, out of these three, out of these four, three have already retired, and Justice Sanjeev Khanna is currently still serving, and he is the NALSA chairperson. Okay. Moving on. Which statement about the classical Carnatic music is correct? Okay. Classical Carnatic music, again, the languages are going to be very limited and only South Indian. So Bengali is not included, Marathi is not included, and Hindi is not included. So The answer is B. Moving on. Which of the following is the correct relationship? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Okay, F is equal to m into a. Moving on, the Assam government observed the birthday of Dash on 31st March 2023 as Student Day in the state. The answer is, it's a factual question. You have to remember it. Okay, the Bodofa Upendranath Brahma. Okay, Bodofa Upendranath Brahma. This is a factual question. You know it. You know it. You don't know it. You can't guess it. Okay. Moving on, dash of the Constitution of India has provision for legal enforcement of fundamental rights. Okay, the fundamental rights are legally enforceable only through fundamental right, which is Article 32. Okay, right to constitutional remedies, which has five writs in it. Okay, so the answer is Article 32. Moving on. According to Köppen's scheme of classification of climate, which of the following characteristics is associated with group E? The answer is this one. Okay, you may read about it over here. The average temperature for all months is below 10 degrees Celsius. Köppen classification includes several groups, each representing a different type of climate based on temperature and precipitation patterns. Okay, moving on. At which place did Raja Ram Mohan Roy form the association called in the year 1828? The answer is Calcutta. Okay, most of the movements were started off in Calcutta, and Raja Ram Mohan Roy is also called Raja Ram Mohan Roy is also called the father of Indian Renaissance. Okay, Indian Renaissance. Okay, because he brought new ideas to India. He was not orthodox. Which of the was associated with industrial licensing policy? Okay, the answer is that committee. You may read about the other policies over here on the left hand side. Moving on, select the natural habitat of Asiatic lion from the following. The natural habitat of Asiatic lion is the Gir forest. Okay, moving on. Which of the following is not compulsory equipment for a football referee? I just forgot to do this. Okay. Which of the following is not a compulsory equipment for football referee? White flag, watches, red, yellow cards, and whistles. So white flag is not a compulsory equipment because watches keep the time, red and yellow card keep the foul play, and whistle calls off for fouls and other references from the referee. So everything on the left hand side you may read about it. Which sport is not played in mixed doubles? Table tennis, yes, two-player game. Two or four player. Badminton, two or four player. Tennis, two or four player. Handball, it is a team game. Okay, it is a team game. Left and right, we have two teams. Moving on. Okay, we are done. Thank you so much.